We know that equipment plus talent equals efficiency. About 2 or 3 years ago, we knew that using mathematics and optimization and machine learning algorithms, we would be able to get our productivity up. And so we tried to figure out which partner was going to be the right partner for us. And after a lot of research, we concluded that C3 was going to be a good ally at the beginning of our process. We've had great benefits. We've definitely recovered the investment that we made, and we're happy. And that's why I'm here. We are keeping our investment in AI, and we're increasing our investment in AI. And also, we are making it part of our transformation process. In terms of kilograms or percentage of recovery, in a good mill, you might be able to recover 85%. And this process has made us at least 0.5% closer just by the AI system. So we're very happy about that. The reality is that you will try some projects and some will fail. But at the end of the day, if you have the right portfolio of projects and there's the CEO guiding this process, and you know there's the light at the end of the tunnel, it's a very rewarding process.